On today's first look, we have an amazing 1968 Shelby GT500KR Fastback. It's lot number 1286.1. Found in a barn after 30 years, this fully documented, matching numbers 1968 and a half Shelby GT500KR underwent a no-expense spared concours restoration and is listed in the Shelby Registry. This car's R code designation denotes the early April introduction of the Cobra Jet V8 engine that prompted Shelby to add King of the Road designation to the GT500. It is powered by an original 428 Cobra Jet engine that has been completely rebuilt and detailed as new, dyno tested, and paired with a C6 automatic transmission with a cast iron tail housing and a 350 traction lock rear axle with 31 spline axles. The exterior features grille-mounted Lucas lights and sequential taillights, as well as Autolite adjustable date-coded shocks. This car rides on the original 1968 Ford Kelsey Hayes steel wheels with period-correct E70 15 black wall tires, wearing the mag-style wheel covers. This KR is fitted with new glass, re-chromed original bumpers, and all original fiberglass. The interior features the black knit vinyl bucket seats and sport deck rear seat, all original except for the carpet, and sports all the Shelby items. Has the tilt-away steering wheel, the center console with the embossed Cobra logo and wood grain accents, correct seat belts, and of course, the factory original roll bar. And the best part about this exquisite raven black 68 GT500KR, it's selling with no reserve at our 2025 Scottsdale auction held January 18th to the 26th at WestWorld. Go to Barrett-jackson.com, register to bid today. We'll see you there.